It's a downpour and it's difficult to get a ride to the hotel. When a taxi stopped in front of the station, I quickly ran into it, made a gesture, and finally managed to get a ride. Check-in hotel, Haian Riverfront Hotel. The other side is the elevator for staff. So down, come see. We are in 903. This is my room. The bathroom, with the toilet and the bathroom. Looking nice. And then the bedroom. And then looking out the balcony. Woo! I got the view, Dragon Bridge view. The cabinet, it contains what? Ironing board and a weight scale. How much driving now? There's a Michelin restaurant near the hotel, Tuoi, but the wait was too long, so I decided to find another place. I was walking around and came across this banh mi store. The lady is cooking my banh mi. Co Chi Banh Mi. 我饿死了啦. It is raining, you see. Restaurant, yeah. Co Chi Banh Mi. Ngon ngon ngon. Video is running. Wow. Chilling? Yeah. After it's filled, the banh mi is grilled over charcoal. I'm eating Co Chi Banh Mi on steak. If you are ever hungry, just now I was so hungry, that's why I just choose to eat this banh mi. And I feel satisfied. Yeah. I think at the moment, because there's no Grab is taking me to anywhere, I want to buy another tripod. So I'm asking like people who can bring me to street where they are selling tripods. It's still raining. I have gone to 3 stores and no one is selling it, so right now this is the last store that I'm going. And if it's not selling, it's okay. I'm okay. I don't need a tripod anymore. The last store that we just went to, it does not have also the tripod. No one is using tripod in Danang. That's the point. Okay. Oh man, whatever now. Enjoying Danang. Rainy Danang, enjoying rainy Danang. Morning. They're missing two single beds become one. Hey, and swimming pool. Oh wow. And the gym area. This hotel is using eco lighting with motion sensors. This may seem energy efficient, but it increases the risk of accidents, such as tripping or falling, especially for elderly people. In the end, I buy online no from Rooster. Yay! Papa suka bong. Yes. Today I'm ordering in Jollibee. Jollibee was my favorite when I was living in Manila. I have ripped the package open. I forgot I want to share, but it's okay. It's just like fried chicken, you know. So on pandemic, we are locked down in the building for almost a year, and there's a Jollibee in the building, and we've been eating Jollibee every day during, not every day, but mostly every day during pandemic. So it is kind of like a good meal I had when I was in Manila. I'm shocked to find there's Jollibee in Danang. Who knows there will be Jollibee in Danang? Oh my god. Jollibee is a Filipino franchise. Let me try the chicken. Is it the same like the Jollibee I had in Manila? Let me see. It's still hot. Wait. I think it is not really the same. From what I eat, I think it's not the same Jollibee. And usually it has like some chili powder on the top of the skin. The one in Manila. I ordered in again. Order Che. Comes with this ice. So yesterday I was in Tuoi City and I ate Che. It was like sweet dessert with all those stuff, and then you put ice in it. Yes, it was good and it was sweet and it is crunchy. When I had it in Tuoi, and you know when the weather is so hot, it is just so good to have this. Yes, green bean, grass jelly, pandan jelly. The one I had yesterday in Hue is so much better. I'll create a video about it. Yeah. Okay, this is my second chair. This is quite similar to what I had in Hue. It has this pomegranate. They name it pomegranate. Inside there's a crunchy bits. So the outside is chewy and the inside is crunchy. So good. Yeah. Okay, this is the situation in my hotel room. It is so dark. But when you go to that area, the view from my balcony, it is still raining today. Oh man. Yay, the sky is clear again. Hello, xin chào. Tên tôi là Leo. Currently we are in Danang, the fourth largest city in Vietnam. Besides me is the Savoring Che River. There are 4 bridges that span this river. The most famous one is the Dragon Bridge. Khao Jong is the Vietnamese for Dragon Bridge. I thought the driver bring me to wrong location. I'm like, oh no, there's a pink cathedral in the building. There are people serenading. now we are in Rooster Cathedral. It gains the name Rooster Cathedral because there's a rooster above the cathedral. It was built by the French in 1932. Come on, come on. Oyster? Wait, later. What's this? Oh, yo, mango sticky rice. This is bangkan, Mbak. Bangkan. Maybe later. Oh. Oh. Ayo. We are currently at Songtra Night Market at the moment. Once you enter the market, everyone will ask you, like, what are you going to eat? So prepare your stomach when you're coming here. If you are empty, that you will do well here, okay? You will go home with a full stomach, I believe. There are a lot of food here. Grilled octopus, Haian, Tuoi, Hotel Songtra. And then I'm eating this oyster for her and shrimp, bamboo clam and lobster. Yeah. Yes. I'm going to eat this bamboo scallop. Dip it on the chili sauce.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
The oyster is so fresh. I love the oyster more than the scallop and the bamboo clams. Shrimp, not really big. Oh, oyster enak sih, oyster. The oyster is good, very good. Okay, right now I'm going to eat lobster. This lobster is cooked with garlic. I believe there are lots of garlic here. Garlic sauce. Oh yeah, come on, come on. The lobster did not wow me like the oysters did, so I ordered another plate of 5 oysters. Hello. Can I get the oyster again? Yeah. Yeah, just come. Order my second portion of octopus. Yeah. It was too spicy, so I buy that food. That's it. I'm taking a break because there are a lot of food I need to do. The lady, they can speak multiple language just to over everyone that walk past by them. This is fresh oyster in Danang. And I'm eating it, okay? Mm. Yeah, very fresh, sweet. It's good. Ngon. Now I'm eating bangkan. So bangkan, it comes with the egg one and the shrimp one. Okay. Now let's try the egg one first. We dip it in the Thai. It's a kind of sweet and sour chili sauce. Yeah. Bangkan is like a mini version of banshu, smaller, lighter, and crispier, making it perfect for a quick, flavorful one bite. Yeah, right now let's test the shrimp one. It's a big bite. It's good. The shrimp one is good. Oh, but I'm full. Hi, this is the end of the Danang vlog part 1 video, and I would like to share you some final thoughts and tips. Okay, the first one is if you are in need of any phone accessories in Danang, like a tripod, you can check luastore.vn. They can arrange a Grab delivery right to your front door. It is that convenient. Okay, the second one is during my first few days in Danang, it rained frequently. I felt so sad when it happened, but when you travel, you cannot really predict the nature. So if it rains, you gotta embrace it and enjoy the experience. I highly recommend Grab Bike for your transportation, and you can order online Grab Food. It is convenient also to use the Grab services. And the third one, at Sontra Night Market, you can negotiate prices. If you are looking to enjoy some seafood at Sontra Night Market, I suggest you first know the current market prices. What you will do is, first you explore all the seafood stalls and know the prices. On your second visit, you should know which stall you want, and then they will give you a better deal on the second visit. Usually it happens. And you can bargain, but do not over bargain because the seller still needs to make profit. Okay, that's all the tips that I gotta share. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye, 再见。